Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus, and if you know me, you know I love spending time by the pit, taking it low and slow, enjoying the weather and a cool beverage. But through the week I come home tired after work. Sometimes I don't have time to fire up a pit, don't want to fire up the pit. So I'll show you how I do a quick steak and potato dinner, midweek. It shouldn't take long. Stick around, I'll show you how I do it. Alright, well I guess the first thing we need to do is get this water boiling for potatoes. And we're going to cut up a couple of russet potatoes tonight. Just cube them up, and we're going to cook them up pretty good. We want smashed potatoes when we eat. Don't want to whip them. We just smash them up with a fork a little bit. Got about 4 cloves of garlic. We'll just give those a rough chop. Don't want them too fine. We're just going to boil them in the water with the potatoes. So we'll add the potatoes and the garlic. Let them all boil up. We'll add a little bit of salt to it. About that much. Probably about a teaspoon. And I found a little bit of dried parsley in the cabinet, so I just decided to go ahead and use that up. I hope it don't backfire and give me green potatoes later. Stopped by my local H-E-B tonight. They had top sirloin on sale, prime. So I usually pick up ribeyes, but you know, got a sale like this, kind of hard to pass it up. So we're just going to pat it dry, both sides. Probably use a binder tonight. We'll put a little bit of this, what's this hair sauce on it. I'm not going to put a whole lot of seasoning on this, or it'll just burn up. So all we're going to use is a little, that's pink Himalayan sea salt. Got some medium grind, I guess, black pepper. And we'll follow it up with just a little bit of garlic powder. Not too much, it'll burn. That fire we're going to use tonight is going to be pretty hot. And we'll hit both sides. Now this meat's cold, and when we're done with all this, we're going to put it back in the refrigerator. Wife and I like our steaks rare to medium rare, and want a nice crust on the outside without overcooking the middle. So I'm going to get that meat as cold as I can. And we'll just go out and get our fire started. So we're going to use a side burner on my gas grill. We use that to start up a charcoal. I'm just using some regular Kingsford out of the blue bag. Got in my Oklahoma Joe's little squatty charcoal lighter. Kind of like that. I'll put a little mesquite chunks in it. Most of these are going to cook down, but we'll get a little bit of smoke off of them. Got a little cast iron stand, a little table thing, stands up about 4 inches off the table. Fits this charcoal lighter just perfect. So I don't have to worry about burning up my wooden table. Of course, I don't leave it unattended, but a little bit we're going to use tonight will be fine. And throw a couple extra coals in there, or chunks in there. Let them burn down a little bit. Not so much that it gives up all the smoke, so we'll have a little bit. And we're not going to dump this in a grill tonight. We're just going to throw a grate right on top of it. Get our meat thrown on. Now I'm going to edit this video to where we're not watching meat cook for the next 5 minutes. But just kind of keep checking it. Don't turn your back on it. The total cook time should be about maybe 2.5 minutes aside. The steak's only about 3/4 minutes thick, so. And those coals are hot, let me tell you. So we're going to just keep checking it. Flipping it up, sticking underneath it. touch it a little bit once in a while, make sure we're not cooking it too much. And of course, after you do a few steaks, get a few steaks under your belt, you'll learn the how it feels and whether it's rare, medium rare, well done. Just all comes with practice, and what better way to practice than eating steak. And it's looking pretty good. Notice the fat's starting to drip down on them coals, so we're getting a little bit of a flare up. That's okay as long as we don't let it get out of hand. That flame kisses that meat. That's a good thing sometimes. You keep your eye on it. Kind of feel it. Now don't forget, we're going to have carryover. So we're going to pull this when it's going to feel pretty soft when we pull it, but it will carry over. So I'm going to tin it in some foil. Probably let it sit maybe 10-15 minutes before we eat it, and that cooking time will let it continue on to the center of the meat. And I wish you guys could smell this. Keep touching it. Keep checking on it. You know, like I said, it's been about 2.5 minutes aside. We are just right there. We're going to get a few more seconds. Yeah, this looks pretty good. See that fat in the middle rendered down pretty good. That thing's about to fall in half. We're done. Look at that. Check that out. Light's not real good, but I hope you can see that. Oh man, my wife's gonna kill me. I put a chip plate on the internet. Well, while our meat's resting, let's finish up these potatoes. And pretty quick and simple. We're just going to dump the water. It's about a half a stick of butter. Let that melt down in there real good. As we stir these potatoes, see they're gonna smash up on us. A little bit dry, so we'll put a splash of milk in it. And that's it. I think we're ready to fix the plate. All right, we rested about 15 minutes. Let's see how we did. Looks pretty good. Try this piece around here. There we go, medium rare. Take a bite and see how it comes out. Oh yeah, that'll work. Not bad for a quick and dirty cook. Let's get some potatoes on this plate. garlic, parsley, mashed potatoes, put some greens on that. And there you go. Weeknight steak. I think I might have to try another piece of that. Alright guys, we'll see you all next time. So how easy was that? Didn't heat up the kitchen, didn't fire up the smoker, we didn't even fire up the grill. Can't get any hotter and faster than that. Hey, by the way, if you want your meat rare to medium rare, be sure that meat's cold. We've got a screaming hot fire on the outside. If you want a crust on it, that will continue to cook to the center once you let it rest. So if you like it more well done, by all means, get it out to room temperature so you don't burn it up. But we like it kind of rare to medium rare around here. So that's a thin steak, so we really cooled it off before we threw it on all that heat. So, hey, we're trying a new mic today. Doing a little overdubbing, a little voiceover. Let me know what you think of that. Do you like the sound of it? Do you like the way the end result? Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. Maybe we can incorporate that into more of my videos. We're just still trying a lot of different things to see what y'all like and see what works for me. So hey, if you like what we've done today, hit that like button. Haven't subscribed yet? Why not? We'd sure appreciate it if you wanted to do that. So appreciate you tuning in to Grumpus on Fire. I'm Grumpus. We'll see you next time.